Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial video in case you were quarantined or absent for any reason and you need to follow along with the class. So this is what it looks like hopefully when you sign into ItsLearning for dramatic writing. Now I'm going to view it as you. In case your page just looks like this when you jump on, go to Resources, Weekly Assignments landing page, and then this should come up. So here in a minute I will actually post this video right here, so this portion will be filled in. But the first thing that you want to do is find Unit 1, or the unit that we're in currently. So in order to find that, you just look at the dates, and the day I'm recording this, which is the 25th of August, we are still in Unit 1. You click on Unit 1, and then you find the unit slides. Go to this first. There are going to be assignments that I post up here, but check the slides first. So that's going to take you to our dramatic writing slides, and then what you do is you scroll all the way down and just until you find today's date. For example, here is the 25th, and you can see on the agenda what we did in class today. So we reviewed the grading assignment calendar, which I handed out as a hard copy in class. We reviewed Inciting Incident, and we watched Manifest and followed along with the script. So you can view the script here. If you have access to Netflix or Hulu, you can also view the script as you watch Manifest. We were just watching the first episode. We're going to finish that on Friday. We continued from page 147 on the online book in Monster. Now, if you're looking for where to find Monster, you come back over to ItsLearning, the landing page, and I've got resources right here. So you can find the digital copy of Monster right here, and that should take you to the page. Now you can actually just click in 147 at the top right here, and that'll take you to the page that we start on. Today in class we got to about page 154. Okay. The goal is to be finished with the book this week though. We also worked on our MGRP topic planner and our word picture assignment. Now, if you just click on this word picture assignment, it's going to take you to the document that you do not have access to edit. However, if you go back into your Unit 1 right here, you're going to notice that you have the assignment for word photos on here, and when you click on this, you'll have access to start the assignment, and you'll have your own place to type it. I do explain what the word photos is also in this document when you go in. The other thing that we worked on is the MGRP, and we worked on the planning tool, topic planner, which is this. When you go into this, it'll look like that. And I think I do put on the slides here, yeah, MGRP topic planner due on ItsLearning on Friday, so you'll turn it into ItsLearning. What you're doing with this is you're using this top portion to plan out whatever you want to do for your project. So you have to pick a project. It can be about anything that you want, but it needs to either be a documentary or an MGRP, which stands for multi-genre research project. I give you some examples here about topics that you could choose and then specific questions. And then I have you to come down here and write down what it is that you want to do, what your specific research question is, and why you chose it. Then you're going to come down and you're going to choose either the MGRP, which is a presentation that you turn in, or a documentary. So that's something you can do if you want to record someone, like film them or audio record them and speak with somebody about a topic. So you will choose whichever one here as well. And again, this is due Friday. If you would like some extra help on this and for me to like sit down with you one-on-one and explain it, I'm happy to meet with you via Google Meets. Just let me know if that would be of interest to you. I think that's it for accessing everything on ItsLearning. Basically, it's just Monster here, Unit 1 here. And I do have some classroom resources, our YouTube channel, my email is here, and that's if you need any of those things. All right, please let me know if you have any questions.